look at the chart we are having on our screen, we have JPY. Today, JPY, as I'm speaking at JPY is the strongest. We have NZD JPY being the second strongest, and then we have Euro. This is the weakest, is amongst the weakest, and then the most weakest is GBP. So basically today we're going to trade a combination of these two, a combination of either NZD and Euro, NZD, GBP, or JPY, Euro, or JPY or GBP. So a combination of those four will give us a correct place to trade from. So this is based on the strength meter. Based on the trend, there's no chart whether we have an active trend other than this, the IUDs. We had very good downtrends. There's no any other. We have GBP chef where there's an active downtrend. We have Euro chef, we have an active downtrend, and then you have CAD chef where we have a complete sell. Then CAD JPY, sorry, and then you have CAD chef where we have an active downtrend. So let's see what we have on the monthly chart of the symbols which we are going to look at today. Euro USD. So Euro USD so far it closed as a bullish pin bar. The candle which you are having, which is this, is actually pointing upwards. So we have a support here. We have a very good support where if the price can attempt to get below this support, if the price can come back to somewhere below the support which I've just drawn, this will be a good place to look for a buy from. So basically we want price to attempt coming back to this level below this point so that you can pick a buy position. If you're on this chart now, this should be a buy for you, but that buy is short term because we do have a trend line which gives us a sell signal. So we had the resistance, it went down, the resistance, it went down, the resistance, it went down, the resistance, it went down. So if the price can successfully break below that level, that will mean we want a retracement so that we continue downwards. This is what should be happening. The price needs to go below this one. Ultimately, the price needs to break below this level. If it goes below, then we do expect a move up to the next level, which is this on 1.0. 1.05644. So we'll move forward to the next symbol. We'll move forward to our next symbol. Let's see what we have. GBP USD. Look at the monthly chart. Then according to the monthly chart, we have a support here. This is a very good support, monthly support. So basically we do want price to pull back up to this point. If the price can come back up to somewhere around 1.22247, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support. The price needs to come back up to this point so that we can pick a buy position from this point. We do expect that buy to take us up to this point. So these are resistance, these are resistance. If the price pulls back up to this point, 1.2247, then that should be the correct place to pick a buy from. So as it is now, the price only needs to come back up to this point, 1.22247, so that we pick a buy position up to the next level, which is this one, 1.32690. So let's move forward. Let's see what we have on our next symbol. We'll look at USD JPY. So these two will focus on the monthly chart. If you check the monthly chart properly, it looks like we are having some trend line here. also from the top we do have some trend line. So basically the price needs to bounce off from this point to the upper side. If the price bounces off from this level, that could push price up to the resistance which you're having, the resistance trend line, this one. But if that does not happen, that is if the price descends below that point, below this zone, then we want it to go up to this support. This is a very good horizontal support. So we had a support previously, we had a support. If the price breaks below this trend line, then we expect it to go up to 105.993. And if the price breaks even lower, that is, the price goes below 105.993, then we expect a continuation up to the next level, which is 101.213. So basically we do expect a bounce this month. The price may attempt coming back up to 105.99, but it should end up closing above this trend line. If it closes below, that is if it goes below 105.993, then expect a continuation up to 101.213. So we're going to move on. Let's what we have on our next symbol. Let's look at gold. Gold is upwards. Gold has been very much the upper side, and as you can see, the price basically closed beyond where it closed previously. So the fact that we closed above the previous month's closing